Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to allow the users or block the users from accessing the system through SSH. Generally, as a Linux admin, we may get a request to allow the particular users or groups to access the system through SSH or block the groups or users from accessing the systems. Okay, so how to implement these things we will see. Okay, first, the first thing I want to show you is I'm going to use the user in the DenyUsers list and see whether he is able to access or not. First, let us see whether user one is exist or not. How to check the user one is exist or not is user one. Okay, now user one is exist. Okay, now the file which I'm going to add the users, deny users or allow users list is sshd config. Okay, so we have a this is the file where we allow the users or deny the users. So to allow the users, we have to add allow users and users name like Jagan Ansible DBteam. We have a users. To block the users, we use the deny users list user one. Now I'm adding the user one in deny users list. Okay, deny users list I'm adding. Now let us see whether user one is able to access or not. These are the users they can access because we have added in allow users list. User one is not able to access because we have added user one deny users list. Okay, after adding the users list, we have to restart the service. Okay, now we have restarted the service. Now let us see whether user one is able to access or not. This IP is the same system that I'm using. Okay, okay. Now I'm login as a user one, comment entering. See, access is denied because we have added the deny users in deny users list. Now let's modify it and see whether he is able to access or not. I'm adding the users allow users in users list user one. Okay, now let us restart the service. After restarting the service, let's see whether user one is able to access or not. We, we have modified the user. We have removed the deny users list to and added the user one into allow users list. Let's see whether his user one is able to access or not. We have modified. See, now he is able to access user one. So this is how we can allow the users to access the system through SSH or block the users from accessing the system through SSH. So modifying the files in SSD config, and we add the comments, allow users whoever we wanted to provide the access, deny users we want to block the users from accessing the system. Okay, so we need to remember allow the users or deny users. This list, the user we need to add or remove the users, and so we can modify the users list. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.